Thank you so much for purchasing my masterclass. As a small thank you, I created this video tutorial. In this video, we will make a beautiful armchair, perfect for your tiny dolls, mice, bunnies, or any small toys. To make this chair, you will need a pattern included in your masterclass, cardboard, 2 types of fabric, preferably matching each other, a small piece of foam or polystyrene, a wooden stick to shape the edges, and a hot glue gun. It makes the process much easier. Let's begin. Take 2 types of fabric and 4 pattern pieces. The larger pattern is for the outer part of the chair. In my case, it's green fabric. The smaller pattern is for the inner part. I'm using polka dot fabric. It's a bit thicker. We start with the outer part. Take the cardboard piece for the outer layer and your fabric. Before placing it, use a ruler. Gently crease the cardboard along the lines. This will help shape the chair and allow the sides to bend forward. Now place the cardboard onto the fabric. We will glue the fabric to the back side. Take your hot glue gun. Trim any excess fabric as you fold it inward. Make small cuts along the edges. This helps wrap the fabric neatly. Apply glue and fold the fabric inside. Trim any extra pieces. Once the piece is ready, we move to the base. Take the bottom cardboard piece and fabric. Fold along the lines. And glue the fabric the same way. Now we assemble the chair. Take your foam or polystyrene. Place it inside. First, glue the bottom part. Then attach the side parts. Now the chair is almost ready. We just add the inner layer. Take the smaller cardboard piece and your second fabric. Repeat the same process. Fold, glue, trim. Insert the top inner piece into the chair, then add the bottom cushion. To make it more cozy, add a little stuffing to the seat and to the side backrest. Glue everything in place. Check that everything fits well. Attach the inner layer to the outer structure. Trim any loose threads and uneven edges. And that's it. Your little armchair is ready. Now your tiny animals have a cozy place to sit.